Yes, Sat Shri Akal students. So today we are here yet with another video to cover exercise 13.6. Students, this is our cylinder. Well, we also call it regular cylinder, right? This is our cylinder. Why we call it regular cylinder? Because this cylinder is having circle as its base. The pipe is also cylinder. I've drawn a pipe. You can draw a cylinder also like this. uh, this is a cylinder, right? There are two three things associated with the cylinder, right? First of all, the base of the cylinder is a circle. The top of a regular cylinder is also a circle. The area of the base is hence pi r square if r is the radius of the cylinder. Students, this is known as height of the cylinder h, right? So as we know the formula, the volume of cylinder would be equal to, what is our standard formula? Base base area into height. This is our this is our standard formula to find out volume, but only for a regular 3D figure. Regular means the bottom and top should be same. That is regular, right? So the base area is pi r square and height is h. So pi r square h unit cube is the volume of the cylinder. Am I right? Pi r square h is the volume of the cylinder. Very right. Yeah, all right. So students, the volume of the cylinder is base area into height. All right. Now, students, then comes the curved surface area of a cylinder. This curved surface area, like yeah, the curved surface area. Curved surface area, if you want to find out, curved surface area of the cylinder would be, curved surface area of cylinder or the lateral surface area, uh, you know in case of cylinder is same. Curved surface area and lateral surface area is same, because in lateral surface area we always know that we are not calculating the bottom area and top area. We will cover only lateral means from the sides. So the standard formula for calculating lateral surface area is perimeter of base into
Into.
height.
Height.
So what is the perimeter of the base, Falgun?
Pi r square.
You are wrong. Pi r square is the area of the base. Yes, Manrose? 2 pi r. 2 pi r is the perimeter of the base. It's a length. 2 pi r h is the curved surface area or lateral surface area, whether it is, uh, you know, whether it is a solid cylinder or it is, uh, it's a hollow cylinder, right? The outside. I'm talking about the outside curved surface area, right? So it's 2 pi r h. All right. Then there can be another sum, like we are having hollow cylinder with thickness T. But there's a cylinder inside a cylinder. So with that also we can do the sums. So based upon these all formulas, let us try to do this complete exercise. Okay, guys. So now we have first sum. So the first sum is basically circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel. Circumference of the base. This is the base of a cylindrical vessel. Its circumference is given 132 centimeter. Now we know circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So from here I will calculate the r. Height is also given. Height is given as 25 centimeter. We have to find out how many liters of water it can hold. How many liters of water it can hold. So students, yesterday I told you 1 meter cube container can hold how much? How many liters of water? 1 meter cube
1000 liters.
fluid, 1000 liters. Also, I will tell you, students, that 1 centimeter cube, 1 centimeter cube can hold 1/1000 of a liter. 1 centimeter cube can hold 1/1000 of a liter, or you can say 1000 centimeter cube. If you have, that is equal to 1 liter. These both formulas you must remember. All right, 1 meter cube volume if you have, length 1 meter, breadth 1 meter, height 1 meter, then it will hold 1,000 liter of water, 1,000 liter of milk, 1,000 liter of any liquid, right? If it is only 1 centimeter cube, small volume, it will hold 1,000th of a liter, or you can say 1,000 centimeter cube worth of volume will contain how many liters? 1 liter. Okay, how many liters? It will contain 1 liter. Okay, that's great. Okay, students. Now the question is 132 centimeter is the circumference of the base. So R will be equal to 1.
21 centimeter.
Beautiful. That is
21 by
21 centimeter. See? Wow, girls are improving. So 21 centimeters. So now we want to find out what? Surface area or volume? Tell me. Girls, we want to find out the volume, the capacity of water. How much water will come? So it will not come by surface area. Surface area will be
Boy.
paint. Paint the outer surface. So we will talk about volume. So guys, volume formula is pi r square h. Pi r square h. So this is equal to 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into r is 21 into 21 into h is 25. That is equal to, have you done? So this is Satya Ikki. So this will be the volume. So whatever volume you calculate, students, I leave it to you. After you calculate the volume, then this volume will obviously come in centimeter cube. So here you will get 1,000 centimeter cube will have 1 liter. So 1 centimeter cube will have 1 by 1,000 liter. Then you put this volume and multiply this by this volume. You will get how many liters of water it will have. Students, I don't only want the now from now onwards, I don't want the answers that you can copy from the textbook and write. I want whatever calculation you have done. I want WhatsApp of that. From today onwards, you will write the answers in the comment only for some sums I will be giving you, which I make myself, not from the textbook. Okay. So this I observed that I have a, though I trust all the students, but some students may just copy the answers and simply write down. Okay. So second question. Quickly we will go for the second question. Now second question is the inner diameter of a cylindrical wooden pipe. Now this is to be understood. This question. Even if you do one question, inner diameter. So this is the kind of student what pipe is there. Okay, so this is the outer diameter of the pipe, and then I will draw the inner diameter. This is the inner diameter. Okay, so similarly here also I will draw the inner diameter, right? So he says inner diameter of cylindrical pipe is 24 centimeters. So this inner diameter, this is 24 centimeter, and outer diameter is 28. This is outer diameter, right? This is 28 centimeter diameter. Okay, now we want to find out inner radius and outer radius. So Monrose, what will be inner radius? Inner radius will be 24 by 2, that is 12 centimeter. How much will be the outer radius?
14 centimeters.
14.
It will be correct.
14 centimeters.
Okay, and now Bakshpreet is active. I'm very happy. After getting some GGA, she's active. Good. So we expect to give you more GGA. Okay, 14 centimeter is RO. So I will write here RO is 14 and RI inner radius is how much? 12 centimeter. Okay. Now he says length of the pipe is 35. So length means height. Length means height. H. Okay. Find the mass of the pipe. We have to find mass of the pipe. So yeah, density is equal to, yes, Amrit? Density is equal to mass divided by volume. So cross multiply mass is equal to density into volume. That means if I know the density of wood into volume of the wood, you see now the volume, the mass of this, very interesting. Students, you see now, very interesting. The mass of this pipe will not be because of the mass of the air inside it. Yeah, if you are a research oriented student, there will be some air, but the mass will be negligible. We can add that also. Some air will be there, right? Okay, good. But let's not consider that. So that in inner volume, we don't have to calculate. We have to calculate only what? The material used to make this pipe, or simply we want to find out how much wood is used to make this pipe. So can anyone tell how we will find out how much wood is used to make this pipe? Anyone? Yes.
Volume with outer radius
Minus volume with inner radius. Beautiful. So this will be equal to volume of outer cylinder minus volume of inner cylinder will give you material used for the wood. If it is made up of steel or PVC or anything, you will get the volume of that material. So guys, now you can do it. Volume of outer here. One more trick I am giving you. Some students, what they will do, they will find volume separately. Like volume of the cylinder is base area into height. So that is pi r square h pi r o square h minus pi r I square h. Now what they will do, they will multiply pi in both the cases and h also. That will simply lead to waste of time. In the competition tomorrow, okay, okay, I believe that the competition is devil, but if you slowly enjoy the concepts and instead of being a chamcha to your teacher, if you just always ask your teacher how and why, teacher will also progress, you will also progress, and then concepts you will get more, automatically your speed will be high, so you will get clear competition. So better pi and h are constant, take it outside, then RO square minus RI square. Now, Pranav, what is the value of RO? In this case, what is the value for RO? Quick answer I want. Okay, any other S?
14.
13.
Don't answer like this, Pranav. It's been 1 year I've been telling you, always answer with units. 14 centimeter. What is inner diameter, Falgun? Inner diameter?
12,
12
12
centimeter.
centimeter.
Find out the volume. From here, after finding volume, I think find the mass of pipe. Okay. So the density is given. It's given that 1 centimeter cube wood has a mass of 0.6 gram. So you can find out this all. Yes, students. So you should do the complete the second sum and tell me the answer. I will not be doing calculation. Now it says soft drink can is available in 2 packs. Soft drink can. Soft drink can. The soft drink can is approximately this much of the size. Must have seen. It's available for 30-40 rupees. So there is a soft drink inside this. It's like a diameter. It's like a cylinder. A tin can with a rectangular base. Oh, first is tin can with a rectangular base. All right. Rectangular base means the base will be like this. Am I right? So it will be like this. Am I right, students? This is a rectangular base can. And this
Yes, sir.
I think the second is plastic cylinder with circular base of diameter 7 centimeter. So radius will be 7 by 2 centimeter. And height is 10. This height is 10. And rectangular is the base of length 5 centimeter and breadth width is 4 centimeter. Correct. So area will be 20 centimeter square. Am I right? And height is 15 centimeter. What is the height? 15 centimeter, right? Third question, 13.6 exercise. Page number 230, class 9. Class 9. All right, mathematics. So he says, which container has greater capacity and by how much? Now, capacity means what? Yes, Pranav, can you tell what is the meaning of capacity?
Capacity means the the thing can hold how much water or any substance in that
You are very right.
shape.
मतलब मेरे अंदर cold drink कितनी आएगी? Right, simple. Capacity means how much cold drink it will have. So which cold drink will be more? Suppose they are available for the same price. So obviously you will buy that one where capacity is more. Okay, fine. So simply, students, in this case, how you will apply? Find out the volume. Volume will be same base area into height. Base area into height. In first case, base area is 20 into height is 15. Simple. In second case, base area is pi r square. Pi r square Means 22 by 7. What is R? 7 by 2 whole square. Pi r square into h. H is 10. That's all, very simple. You will get the volume. You will get the capacity and you will see which is better, which is not better. All right. So WhatsApp this. Simple. Students, can you do it now? We'll go to fourth sum. Now, lateral surface of a cylinder is 94.2. 94.2 centimeter square is the lateral surface area. Lateral surface area of a cylinder. And its height is 5 centimeter. Height is 5 centimeter. Find the radius of the base. Oh, let us do this sum. Okay. I want to do this sum. And it says use pi is equal to 3.14. If pi is given, take 3.14. If it is not given, then you can take 22 by 7, but never take 22 by 35. Okay. So this is lateral surface area is given. Now lateral surface area of a cylinder is how much? Yes, sir. Good. Lateral surface area is 2 pi r into what is the h? H is 5. That is equal to 94.2. Right, so R would be equal to 942 divided by 10 into pi. Pi is 3.14, right, into this pi 2s are 10, okay, into pi 10 into pi, correct, 10 into pi into 10. Now this is 942 na, divided by 10. So this is 942.2. Now sorry, 94.2. This one divided by pi, divided by 5 into 2 is 10, right? So we will solve this. So this will be equal to, now this can be written as 942 divided by 10 into 10 is 100 into 314. You can do like this, 314. Then here it will be 314 divided by 100. 100 will go on the top.
100.
Cancel with 100. So I think 314. Wow, beautiful. 314 1 ja 3. 314 3 the 942. Chakko. So radius is equal to 3 what centimeter. Only ho gaya. Right? Radius. Then it says calculate the volume. So what will be the volume? Yeah, what is the formula for the volume of cylinder?
Pi r square h.
Pi r square h. So you know h, you know r. Please do it. All right. Then comes fifth sum. Okay. Now it costs 2200 to paint the inner curved surface area of a cylinder. How much money? 2200 rupees. All right. Inner curved surface area of a cylinder. Vessel 510 meter deep. So this is the cost of painting. Very good. So this is the cylinder. Okay. Now the cylinder may be having some thickness also, but here it is not relevant. Anyway, it's talking about this inner curved surface area. This inner curved surface area and outer curved surface area, student, the formula is same. What? 2 pi r h. So we know 2 into 22 by 7 into, that is the radius. Uh, Radius is not given. R is not given. R into what is the height? Height is 10 meter. 2 pi r h, that is equal to, now this is the area. This is the curved surface area. Okay. And this is the curved surface area. So this curved surface area, if I multiply by 20, because 20 rupees per meter square is the cost, right? Are you understanding? Or you're doing something else? You're not, you have done this? Oh, okay. So 20, 20 rupees is the cost per centimeter, per meter square. So total cost will be this. Now you can continue. So this is equal to 2200. Now we want to find inner curved surface area of the vessel. All right. So now we will find out R. We will find out R. See, this is 22. 22. This will be 100. So these two zeros will be gone with 100. Okay. So very simple. R is equal to 7 will go up. Am I right? And here will be 2 into 2. Am I right? This is 7 by 4 centimeter. Is it right? R. Correct. R is 7 by 4 meter. Once you know R 7 by 4 meter is correct, then you can find inner curved surface area. Inner curved surface area will be pi, 2 into pi into R, 7 by 4 into H. H is how much? 10. This is the answer. 7 cancels with 7, and then this will 4 will cancel with 2 and 11. So this is 110 meter square. Is it right? Inner curved surface area. Inner curved surface area we got. Then radius of the base. Radius of the base also we calculated. Then capacity of vessel. The capacity of vessel means
Volume.
हाँ store करने दी. So area होगा कि volume? Volume. Correct. Capacity will.
Volume.
So that will be pi r square h. Please do it. Fifth sum over. Now comes sixth sum. Okay. The capacity of a closed cylindrical vessel of height 1 meter is 15.4 liter. This is the capacity. But in the sum we can't use liter. In the sum we have to use centimeter cube or meter cube. Am I right? So let us see. Height is 1 meter. Height is 1 meter. How many square meters of metal sheet would be needed to make it? Oh, how many? That is how square meter of metal sheet. Means we want to find the area of the sheet. How much will be the area of the sheet which will be used to make this? You know. So we have to find out basically what. Wait. This is the capacity of a closed cylinder. Now it says capacity of a closed cylinder. The capacity is 15.4 liter. Obviously, you know, we can say that we want to find out the curved surface area. I think. No, wait. Now now it says capacity of closed cylinder. Now can anyone tell me whether it is a solid cylinder or hollow cylinder? Huh? It's a solid. How you came to know it's a solid? Capacity of closed cylinder vessel of height 1 meter is 15.4 liter. If it is a solid if it is a solid cylinder, how it will contain the liquid worth 15.4 liter?
It will be hollow from top, not from base. I mean, it will be open from top.
Oh, beautiful. Sargun is really great. Wow, that's great. But you can't say that it is a solid cylinder.
Yes,
It's not a solid cylinder. It's a hollow cylinder with the base is there. Oh, beautiful. See, Sargun is a great girl. I was about to do it wrong because we have to calculate the base area also. Am I right? Not only lateral surface area. We have to calculate because if you want to make a cylinder, like you have plastic cylindrical containers to store the water in your home. So the base is there. If base is not there, how the water will be contained? It will flow out. So very good, Sargun. Good. So, but it is not a solid cylinder. It's a hollow cylinder with the base. Top is not there. Top is not there. Otherwise, if top is there, how will you put the liquid? Yeah, somebody can say there can be a hole in the top from where we can put the. So there can be a question like that also.
Okay.
Then there is a hole on the top. Hole diameter is this. Then calculate. Then you have to calculate this also minus the area of the circle. But here I think we are believing that this whole shoal is not there. It's only the base of the cylinder is there. Am I right? And top is empty. I think so. Capacity of the cylinder.
So, but here is close cylindrical vessel.
Oh, very good. Now Monroe's is going further. Again, we are wrong in thinking. He says capacity of a closed cylindrical vessel. When he says closed cylindrical vessel, beautiful. All right. So that means the top cover is also there. The top cover is also it's closed. If top cover is not there, then he would have written it's a open cylinder. Yeah, Monroe, thank you very much. So we have to calculate this area also. Now, can anyone tell me what will be the total surface area? Yes, Mansimrat.
2 pi r into r plus h.
Fast.
2 pi r into r plus h. But
2 pi r into r plus h. Is it right? So it will be 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square. Yes, it's correct. This is the total surface area, right? So we have to find out height is given. Okay, and then 15.4 liter. This 15.4 liter is basically capacity. In other words, it can say it's a volume, but we have to convert this into what? A meter.
Meter cube.
Yes. Can Bakshpreet tell me how to convert into meter cube? Yes, Bakshpreet, can you tell me?
We will divide it by 1000.
Okay, let's say better write down whatever you want to find out. Keep it on the right hand side. We want to find out meter cube, so we will write 1000 liter is equal to 1 meter cube. Am I right? So 1 liter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter cube. So 15.4 liter would be equal to 154 divided by 10,000. I have removed the zero. This much is meter cube is the capacity. So this capacity 154 divided by 10,000 is equal to, what is the volume of cylinder? Pi r square h would be equal to 22 by 7 into radius. Do we know the radius? Or we don't?
No,
Okay, we will find out. R square into h. What is that? H is 1 meter. Chalo,
1 meter.
1 meter. So that's okay. That's perfectly fine. So now see 11 to the 22. I will cut with black ink, and 11 ones are 11 4. Very good. So this will be R square would be equal to, students, beautiful, 27777 is gone. Beautiful. So R square. Oh, is it right? Are we doing right?
1000.
1 by 10,000. So R will be equal to 1 by 100 meter. So simple. Is it right?
We haven't done yet.
R is equal to 1 by 100 meter. Is it right or wrong? Or I have done something wrong?
It's right.
Huh?
It's right. It's will only be there.
Okay. Can you check the answer? Anyway, we can do it again if there is a doubt. You see, the 154 divided by 10,000, this is the volume. Volume is equal to pi r square, 22 by 7 into r square into h. Right? So, and now 11 to the 22, 11 ones are 11, 4, 14. Correct? So this is, yeah, this is correct. No, it's not correct. R square is equal to 49 by 10,000. So R would be equal to 7 by 100. Yeah, okay, that's good. But last time you did not speak. Okay, R is equal to 7 by 100 meter. All right. So this is radius. So what we want to find out, student? We want to find out, oh, how many sheet? How much sheet?
Total surface area.
Yeah, total surface area. Total surface area because lateral surface area plus 2 pi r square. Why? Pi r square on the up and pi r square on the bottom. And this is lateral surface area. And lateral surface area is the perimeter of the base into height. That is 2 pi r h, right? 2 pi r h. So this will be equal to 2 pi r into r plus h.
Plus H.
2 into 22 by 7. Sorry. Into r is 7 by 100 into what is radius is 1. Sorry, no, radius is how much? Radius is 7 by,
7 by 100.
this is the answer. So this is equal to 7 will cancel with 7. So it will be 22, 44 into, it will be 107 divided by 100. This will be the answer, students. So simply multiply 107 by 44. What is that, Sargun? 107 by 44.
0.4708 meter square.
No. It will never be 0 point. 0 point थोड़ा हाँ जी r square नहीं आएगा ना बच्चे r ले लिया ना आपको फिर r इतने कॉमन ले लिया 2 pi r ठीक है ना so this is
Sir, sir,
107. Oh, you are right. There's one more 100. I'm so sorry. One more 100 is here. You are right. So it will be 4, 4, 2, 8. So it will be 8, 0, 6, 7, 4, 7, 0, 8. Correct. 0.4708 meter square. Is it right, student? Answer?
Yes, sir.
Answer is correct.
yes, sir.
Mistakes, I'm sorry, but that's okay. Solving like students is okay. So now, student, we have done 6th also. Now we are having only 2 minutes. We will do 7. Lead pencil. Lead pencil is having a cylinder, and then on the top there is a cone. This is lead pencil, right? So cylindrical wood with solid cylinder graphite filled in the interior. Oh, there is a graphite in the interior. We have learned Graphite and diamond both are made up of carbon, but graphite costs nothing, diamond costs everything. All right, student. I used to have three diamonds, 2-3 years back. Means pictures of three diamonds. Now I don't have correct pictures. Okay, now so students, this is diameter of pencil is 7 mm. This is 7 mm. 7 mm. Diameter of graphite is 1 mm. Oh, beautiful, son. Diameter of graphite is 1. I wish I would have done it completely, but there's no time. Okay, students. So I expect you do it. And
Yes.
but anyway, God is great. It has crossed 40 minutes. So let's do it. Okay. So I said the diameter of graphite is how much? 1 mm. Lead pencil consists of a cylinder wood with solid cylinder of graphite filled in the cylinder. The diameter of pencil is 7 mm. Diameter of graphite is 1 mm. Correct. The length of the pencil is 14 centimeters. Now he is talking about the length. 14 centimeter. Okay, students. Length is 14 centimeter. Now length is 14. Find the volume of wood and that of graphite. Beautiful, student. It's a beautiful thing. Okay. Now the question is whether it is sharpened or not. Oh, it is not sharpened, I think. It is a simple pencil, unsharpened. Am I right? Otherwise, it will be difficult. I'm sorry, students. There is no cone. It would have been a difficult sum if we would have given the pencil is sharpened from the top. There is a sum like this also in ICSE, right? We will do that later on. So I'm sorry, student. This is not sharpened. It's a cylindrical. So very simple. So volume of so this is basically a cylinder. Inside a cylinder, the graphite is also cylinder, and outside is also cylinder. So what will be the volume of wood? Volume of wood will be, can anyone tell? Outer volume minus volume of graphite. Am I right? And what will be volume of graphite?
Yes, sir.
Simple. That will be pi r square into h. It's a very simple sum. Please do it. So anyway, I will Zoom is helping us to go more than 40 minutes. Let's do. So volume of wood. Volume of wood will be outer cylinder. That is pi r square h r square h. This is radius of the wood. Okay, minus pi r square h. This will be radius of the graphite. So this will be equal to pi h is common, r w square minus r g square. Am I right, Sadhguru? So this will be equal to 22 by 7 into what is h? 14 centimeter.
14 cent.
Radius of wood. Radius of radius of wood. 0, no, never do 0.35. Or you can do also. Okay. So how much is the diameter of pencil is 14. Correct. So it will be 3. Okay, 3.5 square minus
0.35.
0.5.
and it will I'm not seeing the length. No. Diameter of pencil is 7 mm. Oh, 7 mm. 7 mm we have to convert to meter. So it will be 0.7 centimeter divided by 2. Am I right? So 0.7 by 2 whole square minus what is the diameter of is 1 mm? Yeah, 1 mm. So 1 by 10 into 2 whole square would be the volume of wood. So that is equal to, let's try to do it. 2 by 7 into 14. Come on, students. Can anyone help me? So this will be equal to 7 7s are 49.49 divided by 4 minus 1 divided by 20 square is 400. Is it right, students? Is it right or wrong? Correct. It's fine. So this is equal to 22 into 2. 7 to the 14. 22 into 2 into we can say we can take 4 common. So it will be 0.49 minus 1 by 100, right? 1 by 100. Am I right? 1 by 100 will be 0.01. 0.01. Correct. this is equal to 22 into 2 is how much? This is 2 and this is 11, right? 44. So this is 11 into, yeah, 0.49, 0.01. So this is equal to 0.48, right? 0.48. So this is equal to guaranteed hasi is like 8, that is 44, 48 के लिए 8 12 52.
5.28.
Don't say 5.28. I've talked to you so many times. 5.28. 5.28 what? Centimeter.
Centimeter cube.
Is it right answer? Oh, with the grace of God, it's right. Now we have calculated volume of wood. Similarly, calculate volume of graphite. Very simple. But pi r square r, radius of graphite r square into h is how much? 14 centimeters. Okay, do it and WhatsApp. It's really great. Today 45 minutes. So students are excited. Zoom is also helping us. Then comes about a patient. So students, if you do the sum, we'll be happy. If you don't do the sum, we will make you patient. Okay. Now, patient in a hospital is given soup. Oh wow, soup. Is given soup daily in a cylindrical bowl of diameter. This is a bowl. Okay. Okay, cylindrical bowl. Oh, so if I'm right, the cylindrical bowl will be how? How much will be how will be shape of bowl? What will be so sphere? Have we have already done sphere? Yeah. So bowl will be like this, student. It will be cylindrical bowl. Cylindrical bowl would be like this. Am I right, Sargun? This will be cylindrical bowl. All right. This will be cylindrical bowl. Okay, guys. So he says diameter is 7. So we are not concerned with diameter. We are concerned with radius. Radius is 7 by 2 centimeter. This is a spherical bowl. Very right. Now, wait. Patient in a hospital is given soup daily in a cylindrical bowl. But normally when we talk about bowl, yeah, bowl can be like this. Yeah, maybe you're right. The bowl can be like a cylinder also, huh? So okay, you think that will be like a cylinder. Yeah, there are some cups available in the correct hospitals, which are like cylinders. So they'll be like this. Do you think it'll be like this, no? Yeah, correct. Not like this. Sorry. So 7 centimeter is the diameter, right? Bowl is filled with soup to a height of 4 centimeter. Oh, so this is not. So it should be like this and like this. This should be the shape. And this should be the shape, right? So the height is 4, the diameter, the radius is 7 by 2 centimeter. Okay. How much such soup the hospital has to prepare daily to serve 250 patients? So 250 into volume of 1. Very simple. Volume of 1 is pi r square h. Pi r square is pi, that is 22 by 7 into r. R is 7 into 7 into 2 into 2 pi r square h. H is 4. Am I right or wrong? Am I right? 7 cancels with 7. 2 2s are 4 cancels with 4. So you got the answer. So answer is
154.
50. 1. He says no. He says how much such soups? So not the sorry student. How much such soups? How much soup the hospital? How much soup? Obviously we will multiply by 250. This is the volume of one soup, and that is in I think centimeter cube. Am I right, Sargun? This is
Yes.
that you have to convert into this, and after you convert this, this will be centimeter cube. Then better writing the soup in centimeter cube doesn't look good. Then better to convert it into no, liter. So how will you convert centimeter cube into liter? Anyone? So
By dividing it by 1000.
centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. 1 liter is equal to 1 liter is equal to 1 liter is equal to, okay, good. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Very good. Then I think Lakshmi, you are right. So this much centimeter cube will be there. So we have to convert this much centimeter cube into liter. Am I right? So it will, we will divide this by 1000. Is it right?
Yes.
And then we will get the liter. So 38.5 liter is the answer Sargun Kaur has calculated. So students, now I want to talk to you. Yes, Bakshpreet, Mehtab, Manpreet, Falgun, Mehtab, a special thanks to you for doing adjustment. Right? Hello.